So I was experimenting earlier when we painted this cabinet. When we did the stencils, some of the paint reacted with the stencils a little bit and made it leave adhesive on the cabinet. You can see that there's a pretty good blotch, but I was trying to figure out a good way to get this off. Tried a few different things without very much success, and then just out of the blue I thought I'd try this other product. And look at that. Just not even pressing hard. Almost all gone. That's a pretty thick spot. Let's try a little bit more rubbing. And I'm not pressing hard at all. I'm just gently rubbing across this. So it's not much effort on my part. And that's just wiping off that second finger, but look at that. All that adhesive that was right there, gone. What is this product? Well, good old Gojo.